Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to add gradient background to text in Photoshop. So let's start. At first open your Photoshop document. Now you can see add gradient background to text. Now show the text. Now you can see add gradient background. Now going to the toolbar option. Now select for rectangle tool. Now draw a rectangle tool. Now select from color. Now choose from color. Then click OK. Now you can see in the gradient color. Now going to the layer option. Now I show the two layer. Now say show text layer and rectangle layer. Now select from rectangle layer. Now click from mouse right button in rectangle layer. Now click from blending option. Now I select from gradient overlay option. Now we go into the gradient color. Now select. Now choose from color. Now choose from color. Now click OK. Then again click OK. That it's. Now you can see add gradient background to text